If you've been wanting to make money online, but you feel completely lost or overwhelmed, well, today's video is just for you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 digital products that you can create in one day with the use of AI and simple AI tools such as Canva and ChatGPT. I don't want you to overthink this. I don't want you to feel like you can't do this, because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you that it's possible for you to get this done and to start making income online. So let's get straight into it. And even with zero experience, these products are easy to create. They can be created in a short period of time, which can fast track you into start, building long-term income online for you and your family and the future that you want. Let's talk a little bit more about digital products. Digital products, you hear that term all the time. It's been going around on social media. It's very popular. And then now with AI, it makes it so much easier for you to create your digital products. I don't want you to be timid when you think about these. Digital products are intangible materials that you create once using the skills that you currently have, and you're able to sell them over and over again without doing any extra work. And with AI tools, it is faster and easier to get started. So that's the power of passive income. So grab a notebook, grab a pen, because I'm about to show you 5 digital products that you can create this week. No tech skills needed, and you don't even need a budget to get started. Number 1, digital products that you can start with are ebooks and guides. So these products are easy to create. So you literally go over to Canva, and Canva will help you to outline a simple ebook in the most easiest, most efficient way possible. So that's the first step in getting started. So when you get to Canva, you just want to type a simple prompt such as create a simple ebook outline which I can use for beginners in, and then you put your niche in there. And if you want more ideas on how to create your first digital products, I've linked a free guide. Before we even get any further, I want you to grab it so that you can have more ideas on the digital products that you can use or start to create using AI. So the next part of it is heading over to Canva. So after you're done with ChatGPT, it gives you the outline for your ebook or your guide that you're creating. You want to go over to Canva, where this tool is going to help you to create a beautiful design for your ebook. After that, so after you've got your information from ChatGPT, you went to Canva to design your digital product. Number 3, you're going to go to Gumroad or even Etsy and upload your digital product for it to start to sell. Number 2 are templates. So this is the number 2 digital products that you can create. Templates are literally a gold mine right now. You can literally create templates with social media, planners, business documents. So these things are what people need to save time. So you're going to use Canva again to design your template. Then you're going to download it. Then you're going to upload it to a simple platform or even on your social media. And then you start to sell it. So that's the number 2 template. So number 3 digital product, we have Notion planners or dashboards. So productivity products are huge right now, and you can use AI to, give you ideas to outline all of the things that you would want to include in a Notion template. And then you go over to Notion, and then you're going to create it from there. You can sell these Notion templates on your own website, or you can also sell them on Etsy as well. So as you might notice, I've been listing out these ideas for you. So number 1, we had ebooks and checklists. Number 2, we had templates. Number 3, we had Notion, planners and dashboards. And now we're at number 4, where we're going to talk about workbooks and checklists. So for workbooks, people love shortcuts. And if you can create a simple workbook for someone to solve one of their problems that they have, you can create a simple checklist for somebody that, they want more information on how to do something. They want to have a checklist where they can for example, they can launch their own online store. So it's a simple rundown of the things that somebody might need to get started to do something, start to lose weight. What are the things that you might need to get started? So a lot of people, they just want a simple checklist where they can just have the ideas and know, step by step by step, how do I get this done? Step one, step two, step three, and it goes along from there. So people love these. These are shortcuts and these are good for selling online. As you can see, with Etsy, you can sell them on Gumroad as well. So those are some of the platforms that you can list them on. You can also sell them on your own website also as well. So what you want to do, as you see, I'm looking down, I have my notes right here. So yeah, so you can format these in Canva. Canva is a great tool for designing everything. I feel like this is one of the best tools that you can use in putting together your ebooks, your guides, your planners. Everything can be done using Canva. So definitely you can think about creating a workbook or a checklist. So that's number 4. So let's get into number 5. Number 5 on the list, we have mini course and tutorials. So if you like to teach, you like to talk, such as me, and you're not scared on being on video, creating a little simple presentation, so you can create a simple 3 to 5 video course using, or even screen recording. If you have watched any of my videos before, you would see me where I show you step by step how to get a digital product out there, how to get a design, what to tell ChatGPT, and all of that. When I'm doing those videos, if you notice, some of the times I'm in the bottom of the screen, so like to the corner over here, and then the rest of the screen is the screen recording. So you can use that with your laptop or even your phone. So whatever you're showing your audience, whatever you're teaching them, you can simply screen record while using your phone or your device just to record yourself, so that they can see what you're saying, they can see what you're doing, and they can also see you while you're interacting. So it's more interactive. So the thing with courses and tutorials, they're more interactive. It's like literally talking to someone as we are talking now. So I feel like a lot of people enjoy those types of digital products over, for instance, an ebook where they would have to just read everything. They would feel more engaged by having someone literally talking, and they're, going along step by step. So to get your first course or your first tutorial out, so you can use ChatGPT to write the scripts that you want to come up with. Then you can use Canva for the slides. So all you need to do is to type slide deck in Canva or even PowerPoint, and they will have the shape of a PowerPoint already for you in Canva. So those are some of the templates that you can go into Canva, click on one of them, choose the one that you like, and then you can customize it from there. Then you can set up systems such as system.io. That this is the place that I use to do my email automation. You can sell your digital products from there. So this is like a hosting platform for your digital products, and it's also a place where you can do automation email. You can send out your emails to your email list. And also Thinkific as well is a great platform for hosting your courses or your tutorials as well. So you can definitely check that out. I've also put a link to system.io down in the description box below, where you can get started for free and create your first digital products using system.io. So I linked it down below. And to show you how simple this is, I'm going to open ChatGPT and Canva right now, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm just going to give it a simple prompt, and then you'll see that in seconds this can list topic, titles, and even descriptions for you. So let me show you quickly. So the first place that I'm gonna go to is in ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna give it a quick prompt to create a course outline with 5 short lessons teaching beginners how to, and then I'm gonna use the topic of fitness. And then you're gonna literally see when I type it in for beginners, you're gonna type it right here and you're gonna see. So I'm taking this part out and I'm gonna put in the part that I want. So I'm gonna say beginners how to eat healthier, and let's go. We're gonna see what it gives us. So once we're there, you're gonna realize that ChatGPT literally gives you a title. It gives you the course goals. It gives you everything that you need to to get started, understanding what healthy eating really is. A course outline. So everything, as you can see, ChatGPT laid it out for you. Now we're gonna go over to Canva. The next place that we're going to go to is Canva, and here we are in Canva. So this is would have given us the course outline. So these are the templates that you can use to create a course. So as you can see, this one right here, I'm not going to choose this one. I'm going to show you guys one of them that you can just simply change the colors, change the text, change the font. So as I was saying in the videos, in creating your own course or your video tutorials, then this is how you would do it. You can change the design. You can change everything right here in Canva, and there you have it. You literally have a course outline already, ready to sell, ready to. With this demonstration I just showed you, you can literally see that using AI, it literally cuts the time down 90% of what you would have normally used just to create a simple course. So yeah, so with the power of AI, you can literally create your own digital products in one day. So if you're serious about starting your first digital product, you want to get started, you want to just dive in, then I've created a free guide for you where I give you a list of ideas which you can use to get started in creating your first digital product online. So these ideas you can literally get started, learn everything, and create them in a weekend or even just a day. And I have linked it down in the description box below so you can grab it now. And if this video helped you, then make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you grab the free guides that I've linked down in the description box below for you so you can fast track everything and get started. I don't want you to overthink this. I don't want you to procrastinate. I know that this is something you can do because I've done it too. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.